Hello everyone. Welcome back to the second chapter of C++. In this video, we are going to know about variables in C++. So, what are variables? Variables are simply name of memory location. These are the entities whose value can be changed during program execution. It has data type, size and occupies memory. There are certain conventions for naming a variable. These are: 1. Variable name is a combination of underscore, letters and digits only. 2. Variable name must start with underscore, or any alphabet. 3. It must not start with any digit. 4. It can be of any length. 5. No white spaces are allowed. You can see the examples on the screen. We have already discussed these in the topic, identifiers. Now we will see how to declare and initialize variables. So, declaration of variables. First, we specify data type, and then, we write variable name. For example, int, char, ch. We can also declare more than one variables at the same time. For example, int, a, b, c, d, and char, ch, my name, first name. Now, initialization of variables. First, we specify the data type, then we write variable name, followed by equal to sign, and at last, we specify the value it can store. For example, int a equals 10. Or, we had already declared any variable, then we can initialize it anywhere in the program in this way, a equals 20. More examples like char ch equals a and char name equals Alex. Remember that single character are written within single quotes, while string are written within double quotes. Now we will see scope of variables. 1. File scope. The variables is visible from point, it is defined, to the end of the file, containing the definition. 2. Block scope, also called local variables. The variable is visible from point, it is defined, until the end of the block. A block starts with curly brace open, and ends with curly brace closed. 3. Function prototype scope. The variable is visible till the end of function prototype declaration. We will learn about it in the chapter, Functions. 4. Global scope. The variable is visible to all parts of the program. That is, it is globally accepted everywhere in the program. And the variable is known as global variable.
This is all for this video. I hope you understood each and everything. Please drop your queries in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to learn more, please hit subscribe button. For now, this is Easy++, signing out.